A5 Jack New Generation Thread Cleanness Computerized Lock Stitch Machine incorporates super performance such as voice reminder, coaxial driving design, one-key factory reset, and sealed oil pan to bring you the ultimate experience. It is the best choice for high-quality clothing such as shirts, suits, suit pants, and down jackets. Sealed oil pan with new rotary hook oil supply structure, which can supply oil more stable, extremely controlled oil during sewing, and avoid dust entering. Effectively solve the troubles caused by oil stains. Greatly improve the quality of clothing. End sewing remaining thread is within 3.5 millimeters. Automatic condensed stitch, avoid loosing stitch. No need to cut remaining thread, saving time, saving money. Refueling from the top. No need to tip over the machine. With oil window design, we can check the oil situation easily. Ensure adding oil in standard range. Avoid oil spillage or machine stuck without oil. We also innovate the details. Add one-key factory reset. Custom save parameter settings.
Reset.
Make it easy for you to get started. We also use Jack's exclusive patent coaxial shaft as the core. Faster operation, more stable and sound lighter. Vortex suction of cooling fan, USB port, simple rear cover, etc. A variety of carefully designed, giving you a better sewing experience. A5 Thread Cleanness Computerized Lock Stitch Machine. Perfect intimate technical design, beauty-rich line dimension. Think of what you think, charm and extraordinary.